Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to Live Healthy, the sanctuary for holistic wellness and self-improvement. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our enlightening content. Now, let's explore the myriad ways to elevate our brain health and unlock our cognitive potential. Nurturing the brain. Fundamentals. Our brain is an incredible organ, orchestrating a myriad of functions, thoughts, emotions, and memories. To maintain its vitality, let's delve into the fundamentals of brain health. Balanced nutrition. A diet rich in antioxidants, good fats, vitamins, and minerals provides essential nourishment, boosting cognitive function and protecting against brain diseases. Regular exercise. Engage in physical activities. It enhances neuroplasticity, improves mood, and reduces stress. Mindfulness and relaxation. Regular meditation, yoga, and relaxation exercises can decrease stress and increase the gray matter in the brain, which is involved in muscle control and sensory perception such as seeing and hearing. Lifelong learning and brain stimulation. To maintain our brain's agility, it craves constant stimulation and learning. Lifelong learning. Keep your brain active and engaged. Learn a new skill, read regularly, or pick up a new hobby. Problem solving and puzzles. Regularly engage in activities that challenge your creativity and problem-solving skills, such as puzzles, games, and brainstorming sessions. The power of social connections. Connecting with others plays a vital role in maintaining our cognitive well-being. Maintain strong social networks. Foster deep, meaningful relationships and maintain an active social life. Social engagements and interactions can protect against memory loss. Optimal sleep and hydration. Quality sleep and adequate hydration are the pillars of optimal brain health. Adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation and removing toxins accumulated during the day. Stay hydrated. The brain is about 75% water. Regular hydration is essential to maintain optimal brain function and mental performance. Empowering your brain health is a journey of exploration, learning, and connection. By embracing these strategies, you're not just enhancing your cognitive functions, you're paving the way for a life of fulfillment, vitality, and joy. Remember, the journey to optimal brain health is unique to each individual. So, listen to your body, challenge your mind, and nurture your spirit every step of the way. Share your thoughts, experiences, and tips on enhancing brain health in the comments below. Let's cultivate a community where we learn, grow, and flourish together. Thanks for joining us today on Live Healthy. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, keep nourishing your mind, body, and soul. Stay brilliant.